Oprah Winfrey once said, if you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. But if you always look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. Life is an absolute mystery. We always expect things to be better. We always strive for things to be better. In fact, we spend most of our life trying to achieve those things that we think we need to have a successful life. But lately, things turned around in my life, and I learned or I changed my views on life. This happened on the first day of the year 2017. As we all know, the 31st is a day we all celebrate in every year. We enjoy, we go out, we have fun, so yes. But this particular January 1st, in the year 2017, around 6 a.m. in the morning, there I was seated in front of an operation theatre, waiting and waiting and waiting, counting the minutes and waiting. Every second added more weight into me. Every minute made me feel so awful. It was my little daughter who was inside that operation theatre. And I was waiting impatiently to know what result it will be. And many memories flashed across my mind. The times that we had little arguments, the times that I shouted maybe at her, even for no reason, the times that I maybe forced her to study, the times that maybe I made her do things that she didn't even like. All of those rushed through my mind as I waited. It was just a few moments before, or a few hours before, that we were all seated by the beach, enjoying the dawn of the new year. It was magical. The beautiful fireworks, the food, the music, the ambience, we all loved it. And we were clinking our glasses, drinking champagne to the dawn of a beautiful new year. But little did I know that things will turn around in my life. And boom! That was the explosion just close by us, causing all of us to turn around to see that a firework has just exploded close by us. Yes, it was my daughter who got hurt, with a tiny piece of plastic inserting her head and going through into her brain. But thank God, she was saved. She was safe, and it made me look at life in a different perspective. It taught me that what is more important in life is not to always look at what we don't have, but to look at what we have and to be blessed, to be happy with what we have, and more than anything, to know that we are blessed. I know most of us here, we are not really happy. We are not really happy with anything that we have. We want better. We want to achieve better. We want people to respect us, think of us as the best. We fight amongst our own friends to become the best. We fight amongst our own family to become the best. We want to show the world that we have the perfect life. But is that really what matters? But is that really what matters at the end of the day? Life is just a very short journey, and before we know it can end, before we know all this that we have made up, gathered, achieved can disappear in a second. So I believe that each one of us should know that love and care is the most important things in life. We have to learn to embrace this life. We have to learn to know that giving is much more better than getting. Those little times that your feelings turn to tilted, maybe change things for the worse, maybe make you angry, make you desperate, try not to let those feelings get you down. As you embrace this life, make this life one that you make better for everyone around you. Try to show them that love and care is the most important things that you need in life. There are moments that you meet people, there are moments that you see people, but that might even be the last time you do so. So try to make magic in that moment you meet them. Try to help them out to have a smile. Don't let anyone leave you without a smile. Every person that meets you should leave with a smile. I hope this little bit of advice that I have put across to you will help you to enrich your life and to live a healthy life full of love and care. I hope this year will also help all of you to change into better humans, into better personalities, and look at life in a different perspective and embrace this life that we are blessed with and give everyone around you the love they deserve. Let me now also take a second to thank the OGA of Hillwood College for giving me this opportunity to speak these few words over to you in this virtual Rise Up program.